Afternoon, ladies and gents. You're probably thinking, what am I doing in this car park? Right, I'm going to show you right now. Keep tuned, stay logged in, and this is what I'm going to show you. It's another car. What is it? Come check it. Here we have my filthy looking Toyota Celica 25th anniversary edition. I haven't really seen many videos about the 25th anniversary edition Toyota Celica, and as you can see, all this white residue. Basically, the product that I'm using now, it's meant to be that you don't wash the vehicle and literally apply it in. That's where I've applied it and haven't wiped it off at the moment, and this is where it all needs to be done still. But yes, modification wise, it has a stainless exhaust system on it and a K&N filter. This is build 148. These vehicles are becoming appreciating assets and may be up for sale. One of you lucky ladies and gents. And yes, only 3 owners from new. Going to give the interior clean, but this is the seat. Not too bad condition. Anyways, other than trying to sell the vehicle to you, let's wipe it off and see how she's looking. So here's the wing that I have just done. Oh, I missed a bit there. But the comparison before and after, not too bad actually. What do you ladies and gents think? What's your comments below, ladies and gents? Let us know what you think of the product that I'm using, and if you want to know, send me a message, and yeah, I'll let you ladies and gents know what I'm using on this vehicle. So, oh yeah, that was already, someone done that. But anyways, yeah, this is the side that's been done. Literally, this is waterless. Like, the roof hasn't been done, as you can see. But what's your ladies and gents perception on this? Comment below. And this is the side that's not been done. Look at that. Filthy. So, ting is on. Let's wipe it in. Really simple to use, you know, literally, and you can use it everywhere. Right, I've been informed that this product has carnauba wax in it. Right, it's all on. Now I have to wipe off. Not too bad considering the car hasn't been washed. Look at that. Even had it on the windows. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm going to continue it and take some more pictures and show you ladies and gents after. Ladies and gents, so yeah, the cleaning's all done thankfully, so now let's start her up and show you how she sounds with her stainless steel exhaust system. Show you the engine bay. Oh, what's going on here? You see, remember that dent there? I'll show you in a second. You see a bit dirty, the engine bay. The rest of it's clean. But yeah, done an air filter on it as well. Have a little wee listen. Gotta love the jack. Right, let's get on to that. A bit of a paintless repair. And I totally forgot, my older brother got this tool, and I'm grateful that he's got this tool because literally you got to turn it and hopefully as you can see, this dent is slowly coming out. Having a bit of complication with this side, but the dent looks actually smaller. So yeah, leave that for the time being. And if we come walk over here, well, hey, we have another dent here. So this is how it's supposed to work. Keep tightening. Strange, it doesn't seem to be working as well as I would like it today. Or is that actually coming out? Thankfully, use the head, improvise, found a nutter, and yeah, let's hope we can do what we planned to. That's nice and tight, getting, but the goal here is to, oh, it's coming out. Might be coming out a bit too much. That was a bit dangerous. It came flying off, but look, there's a bit of a less dent. Nearly damaged this car here. But yeah, nice. Happy days. It's smaller than what it was. The other side just came flying. It kind of freaked me out. So let's try this side. Hopefully without any injuries occurred. But yeah. Let's get in tight now. 1% battery as well. Paintless repair. Lovely. Oh, that's getting beyond the point now. Well, hey! Gotta do it a few times to get it perfected, but it's a lot less than what it was. Nice. Ladies and gents, if you lot have liked this video, I would much appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. Please do subscribe and comment, and you know, I'll be getting more videos up for you ladies and gents, and yeah, that's it, keeping that progression going. So yeah, do hit the subscribe button and hit that bell notification, and have a blessed week. Love.